Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku in this additional of this newspaper of Monday, May the 18th, 2020. We have here a two-star Sudoku, so let's get started. It's the two of the 6 Sudokus in this additional. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. Which number can I use? I see here in this big square 3 missing numbers. The missing numbers are 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 5 is missing. And the 9 is missing. We see here 4. So no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 9 and the 5 are missing here. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. How about the 8? We have an 8 in this row. An 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be here. This is an 8. Alright. And then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. I see here 7 and a 2. 2 is also a missing number in those 4 boxes. So we have a 2 and a 7 here. So no 2 and a 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 and the 7 goes there. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In that column, so in the middle column, the only 2 places for a 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be here. And then a 4 in this row, a 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing in this middle column, and the 8 is missing. The 4 and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Yes. These 3 numbers in the middle row, the missing numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, the 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. I see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9, should be there. The 5 and the 2 are missing now in this middle row. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And then 4 missing numbers in this big square. For the one of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, so no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 8 in this column, the 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be here. 1, 2, the 3 is missing in this big square, and the 6 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3. No 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Then in this big square, one of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Then these 2 numbers of this row for the missing numbers 5 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and a 5 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 6. 1 missing number in this column for the number 5, I believe. Yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 1. 9 and 1. I cannot fill this yet. 9 and 1. But we have a 5 in this row, a 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. These 2 numbers in the first column, the missing numbers are the 7 and the 4. Yeah, 4. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left here, the 9 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet, 9 and a 2. So we have a 9 in the first row, so this cannot be a 9. And I remember the 9 and the 1 are left. So this cannot be a 9, this should be the 9, and this should be the 1. Here the 9 and the 2, alright. How about these 2 numbers in this second row for the numbers 1 and 7? We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 1 in this last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be here. Then how about these 2 numbers in this column, the 9 and the 1 is missing, the 9 and the 1. No, we have a 1 here, the 9 and the 4. 9 and a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 2 numbers left here, the 2 and the 7 in this row, the 2 and the 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Then how about these 2 numbers in this row? For the missing numbers are the 4 and the 2. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers missing in this big square, the numbers 9 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Oh, why for this Sudoku with 2 stars? I'm very pleased. Very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can solve it by yourself or make it by yourself. Subscribe if you like or if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus on my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the third Sudoku, a Sudoku with 3 stars. So see you later. Bye bye.